Thanks for staying tuned into Power Breakfast on CNBC TV18. Now, today is a special day for cryptocurrency Bitcoin, as today marks the 15th year since it was launched. Manisha Gupta is joining in with us now to give us details on the cryptocurrency's journey. Manisha, it's a happy birthday for Bitcoin.
Well, yes, it is happy birthday Bitcoin as it turns 15 on 3rd of January 2025. It was launched on 3rd of January 2009, and it has been a journey which has seen a lot of ups and many downs there. Well, one thing to remember is that we have a limited or a maximum of 21 million coins that would ever be mined, and the demand has continued to increase, keeping the prices on the higher side for a longer term there. Well, just to remind you that we have seen an all-time high for Bitcoin in the month of December for 2024 at $108,000. Back then in 2009, Bitcoin was less than $1, and that continued until mid-2010 as well. Well, there have been various reasons, especially for 2024, that took the prices to these dizzying heights where we saw prices gain up by 150%. One, you've seen Bitcoin ETFs come in. A lot of institutional interest, retail interest also seems to be building up here. And then the second thing is that there are expectations that you will see more friendly regulations as President Trump takes over within US. And then there are reports of more and more countries now adopting Bitcoin as a legal tender. These are all very supportive factors. So when you look at this journey in last many years that Bitcoin has undertaken, 2010 clearly we saw a huge run up in case of Bitcoin, but also in last 15 years I can barely see a couple of years where you have negative returns coming in for Bitcoin. But otherwise the cryptocurrency, the first one that was launched, has given you double digit, triple digit, sometimes 4 and 5 digit percentage returns as well into the market. And yes, there have been a lot of legal concerns as well for the Indian markets as well. We have 30% tax, 1% TDS if you are trading it in cryptocurrencies, and that has led to a decline in volume. But the markets do believe that as we move forward from here, and with the way the stance really seems to be changing, you could perhaps be looking at more support coming in. In any case, for 2025, there are very high targets that we hear for cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, altcoin, and various other meme coins as well.
Okay, thank you so much for that, Manisha. And